Hey folks, I'm Trevor, the social media manager for Ontario's Streetcar Museum, the Halton County Radial Railway. And today I want to take you on a tour of our display buildings and give you just a glimpse of what is in our collection. This is Toronto Railway Company number 1326, built in 1910. It was the TTC's last wooden streetcar when it was retired in 1951, and the first artifact in our collection. This beautiful beast is known as an interurban, used by the Montreal and Southern Counties Railway from 1912 to 1955. We've got two open-sided bench streetcars, including this 1901 double trucker from London, Ontario, and the TTC's replica of Toronto Railway Company number 327. Imagine taking the trolley from Kitchener to Port Dover. Well, you could on interurbans such as 797 here from the Lake Erie Northern Railway. Do you remember when Toronto had red subway trains? Well, here you can take a walk through the last two TTC G cars built in 1953. And here's the youngest streetcar in our collection, an articulated light rail vehicle from 1987. It's 76 feet long. There's so much more to see when you explore the Halton County Radial Railway. We are located at 13629 Guelph Line near Milton, Ontario. You can get your tickets online or at the door. Please visit our website, hcry.org, for more information and seasonal hours. Thank you.